Om Shanti. Very good morning to one and all. Today we'll go through English Abhyakt Murli, that is on Sunday, 2nd May 2021. The original date of the Abhyakt Murli is 23rd December 1987. The heading of the Murli is the power of churning and the stage of being absorbed in love. The power of churning and the stage of being absorbed in love. That is in Hindi, मनन शक्ति और मगन स्थिति. The magan sthiti means the power of being absorbed in love. That is the magan sthiti, stage of love. You are deeply involved. That means magan. And manan shakti, the power of churning. आज डबल ताजधारी, डबल राज्य अधिकारी बनाने वाले बाप विशेष अपने डबल विदेशी बच्चों से मिलन मनाने आए हैं. बाप दादा देख रहे हैं कि चारों ओर के डबल विदेशी स्नेही सहयोगी सदा सेवा के उमंग उत्साह से स्नेह और सेवा दोनों में आगे बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. Today, the Father who makes you double crowned and gives you a right to the double kingdom has especially come to celebrate a meeting with his double foreign children. Bap Dada is seeing that all the double foreigner children are loving, cooperative children from everywhere are constantly moving forward both in love and in serving with constant zeal and enthusiasm. हर एक के मन में यह उत्साह है कि हमें बाप दादा की प्रत्यक्षता का झंडा लहराना है. हर दिन उत्साह के कारण संगम युग को उत्सव प्रमाण अनुभव करते उड़ते जा रहे हैं. Each of you has the enthusiasm in your mind that you have to hoist the flag of Bap Dada's revelation. Because of this enthusiasm, you are continuing to fly by experiencing every day of the confluence age to be a festival. दुनिया के लोग विशेष उत्सव के दिन उत्साह का अनुभव करते हैं, लेकिन ब्राह्मण आत्माओं के लिए संगम युग ही उत्साह का युग है. हर दिन नया उत्साह, नया उमंग उल्लास स्वतः ही अनुभव होता रहता है. इसलिए संगम युग के हर दिन खुशी की खुराक खाते, बाप द्वारा अनेक प्राप्तियों के गुण गाते, डबल लाइट बन सदा उत्साह में नाचते रहते हैं. उत्सव में क्या करते हैं? ना खाते हैं, गाते हैं और नाचते हैं. विदेश में विशेष क्रिसमस मनाने की तैयारियां कर रहे हैं. खाना, गाना, बजाना और नाचना यही करेंगे ना, और मिलन मनाएंगे. आप हर दिन क्या करते हो? अमृत वेले से लेकर रात तक यही काम करते हो ना, कि सेवा भी करते हो. सेवा अर्थात ज्ञान डांस करते हो. बाप दादा के गुणों के गीत आत्माओं को सुनाते हो तो रोज उत्सव मनाते हो ना. कोई दिन ऐसा नहीं जो बच्चे ब्राह्मण यह कार्य न करते हो. संगम युग का हर दिन उत्साह भरे उत्सव का दिन है. वो तो 1-2 दिन मनाते, लेकिन बाप दादा अभी ब्राह्मण बच्चों को ऐसे श्रेष्ठ बनाते हैं कि ऐसे गोल्डन गिफ्ट देते हैं जो सदा के लिए संपन्न, सदा भरपूर बन जाते हो. वो लोग क्रिसमस के दिन का इंतज़ार करते हैं कि क्रिसमस फादर आकर आज गिफ्ट देंगे. बाबा इज टेलिंग people of the world experience enthusiasm on the day of a special festival, but for Brahmin soul, you all Brahmin soul, the confluence age is itself the age of festivity. Every day you automatically continue to experience new enthusiasm, new zeal and encouragement. This is why every day while eating the nourishment of happiness and singing praise of the many attainment you have received from the Father. You become double light and constantly continue to dance with enthusiasm. What do people do at a festival? Now they eat, sing, and dance. People abroad are now preparing for Christmas. They will eat, sing, play music, and dance. This is what they will do, is it not? They will also celebrate meeting one another. What do you do every day? This is what you do from Amrit Bela till night. Is it not? You also do service, and service means to perform the dance of knowledge. You sing to the soul the song of Babdada's virtue. So you celebrate a festive every day. Do you not? There is not a single day when true Brahmin do not carry out this task. Every day of the confluence age is a day of a festivity filled with enthusiasm. Those people only celebrate for 1 or 2 days. However, Babdada makes all you Brahmin children so elevated and gives you such a golden gift that you become complete and full for all time. Those people wait for Christmas Day for the Father Christmas to come and give them a gift. They remember Father Christmas only, whereas you remember the Father who makes you as sweet as Christmas, kismis, as sweet as kismis. Kismis means raisins. You receive so many gifts that they last you for 21 birth. Those perishable gifts will last for a short time and then perish, whereas these imperishable gifts will remain with you for many births. Just as those people decorate a Christmas tree, so Babdada gives you sparkling star, you elevated confluence age, end of the earth on the unlimited world tree. The experience of being embodiment of imperishable light and might. Those people also believe in star and they make decoration with star. They show a memorial of you star in the form of sparkling physical light. They either make decoration with lights or with flower. Those whose memorial is that it is a memorial of the spiritual fragrant flowers. You Brahmin soul, all of those festivals are a memorial of the festival filled with enthusiasm of you confluence aged Brahmin soul. At the confluence age, you Brahmin soul are the sparkling star of the kalp tree and spiritual roses. You are seeing your own memorial. You are made imperishable jewels by this imperishable Father, and this is why you see your own memorial even in your last birth. You see the memorial of the double form. People portray the memorial of your form of the confluence age in different form and ways. Secondly, you see the memorial of your future deity status. You not only see the memorial of your form, but there is also the memorial of the elevated action of you, elevated soul. There is also the memorial of the divine activities of the Father and the children. So when you see your memorial, you easily remember, do you not, that you become such special soul every cycle. You become that, you have become that, and you will continue to become that. वरदान है टुडे ब्लेसिंग। अपनी विजय का सफलता को निश्चित समझकर, अपनी विजय व सफलता को निश्चित समझकर सदा निश्चिंत रहने वाले निश्चय बुद्धि भव। अपनी विजय व सफलता को निश्चित समझकर सदा निश्चिंत रहने वाले निश्चय बुद्धि भव। एक्सप्लेनेशन। जो बच्चे सदा बाप में, स्वयं के पार्ट में और ड्रामा की हर सेकेंड के एक्ट में 100% निश्चय बुद्धि है, उनकी विजय व सफलता निश्चिंत है। निश्चित विजय होने के कारण वे सदा निश्चिंत रहते हैं। उनके चेहरे से चिंता की कोई भी रेखा दिखाई नहीं देगी। उनमें सदा निश्चय रहता है कि यह कार्य व यह संकल्प सिद्ध हुआ ही पड़ा है। उन कभी किसी बातों में यह क्वेश्चन नहीं उठेगा, क्योंकि बातों में क्वेश्चन किसी भी चीज़ में नहीं उठेगा। क्यों किया, कैसे किया, ये प्रश्न कभी नहीं उठेगा। सो ब्लेसिंग, मे यू हैव एन इंटेलेक्ट फिल्ड विथ द फैथ एंड योर विक्ट्री एंड सक्सेस इज गारंटेड and thereby remain constantly carefree. May you have an intellect filled with the fact that your victory and success is guaranteed and thereby remain constantly carefree. The children whose intellect constantly have 100% faith in the Father, in their own parts, and in every act of the drama, at every second, have guaranteed victory and success. दोनों ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ बीइंग guaranteed victory they are constantly carefree. No signs of the worry are visible on their faces. They always have the faith that task or thoughts is already accomplished. They never have any question in any situation. They never have any questions in any situation. Today's slogan: to change someone's intention when you hear and relate something is to spoil the atmosphere. To change someone's intention when you hear and relate something is to spoil the atmosphere. So today's slogan is to change someone's intention when you hear and you relate something is to spoil the atmosphere. सुनने सुनाने में भावना और भाव को बदल देना ही वायुमंडल खराब करना है। सुनने सुनाने में भावना और भाव को बदल देना ही वायुमंडल खराब करना है। ओम शांति। हैव ए गुड डे। गॉड ब्लेस यू।